tornado warning.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Lake. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northern Cuyahoga County. This includes the city of Cleveland, Lake County. This includes the city of Painesville until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 6 miles north of Cleveland, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Cleveland Heights,